guys, welcome back. Today I'm on day 4 of my Clean Keto challenge. Remember, I'm doing the Squeaky Clean Keto challenge over at the I Breathe I'm Hungry website. That's where all of the details to the challenge is, and some meal plans, like recipe information. So I'm following that for the entire month of October. So look in the description box and you will see the link to the site. And also, I have a Facebook group, and some of the people in the Facebook group, they're also doing the challenge with me. So, I mean, you don't have to be in the group to do the challenge, but if you want to join, feel free. It's called Keto Without Your Panties in a Bunch, because we're pretty laid back. There's no judgment. You know, you cheat, but we're there to encourage and empower you. So, that's that. And also look in the description box for other information. Sometimes I have little secret giveaways. Sometimes I have things in there that I usually try to put links to the things that I like and things that I'm using, including filming equipment. So if you're interested in that, check it out. And also check my community tab. I'm starting to use that more because it's a feature and I think I should. So check me out in all areas, all my socials. Everything is linked in the description box. And subscribe. Remember to subscribe, share with somebody you may like. And I've wanted to show you guys some things that I picked up from Walmart. Even though I'm on the challenge, I still want to prepare for when the challenge is over. And, you know, there's some things I will go back to. Like right now, very, very little sweeteners. I know the challenge says no sweeteners, but I do an apple cider vinegar drink every day, usually twice a day. So it's hard for me to drink that straight, just to be honest with you. So I found these Propel packs. These are like water enhancers, and they're supposed to be like, you know, have some electrolytes. So I got 3. I try to get my electrolytes in other ways. I use Natural Calm Magnesium. It's very relaxing. So if you have anxiety like I do, it's it helps you calm, you know, stay calm. It's good for your digestion because it helps you go if you're irregular, you know what I mean? And then, so you mix that in your water, and it gives it a little bit of like a fizzy taste. So I'm thinking maybe that's what those Zip Fizzes, have in them, because some people say it tastes like similar to a soda, and that could be why, because that Natural Calm is that way. It'll give you like the soda type of feeling. So I take that. I use no salt for potassium because it's a lot of potassium. So I make a drink out of it. Sometimes it tastes like a Gatorade or Powerade. I'm not too like, ooh, I love that, but at the same time, it gets the job done. And I also use pink salt. I salt my food, and so I don't usually add too much extra salt to anything else because I salt my food. So anyway, I've got these just for, you know, when you're in a hurry, when you're not prepared, when you just maybe want something to drink and need some electrolytes, grab those. This is a popular, well, it's popular to me. I saw it. It's being advertised to me a lot by Facebook. Like Costco's Facebook is advertising it. It's Walmart's advertising it. I'm seeing it a lot from companies on Facebook. And it's called like Biltong or Bilting. I don't know. But it's beef strips. It's very similar to jerky. I don't know if my thing is going to show reverse. You can't even see it, but anyways, the ingredients are beef vinegar, salt, raisin juice concentrate, and spices. The raisin juice concentrate makes me like, but it's 0 sugar, 0 carbs, 0 added sugars. So that's, if you want to try it, go ahead. Walmart has it. I don't know if every Walmart has it, because I seem to sometimes find things that other people can't. So I'm just trying things out because you guys recommend it. One of my subscribers recommended that I look for these chocolates, and I found them. Yay. I hope you can see. It's, come on. Okay. It's the Bake Believe semi-sweet chocolate chips. They are sweetened with erythritol. They have erythritol, cocoa butter, inulin, whole milk powder, sunflower lecithin, and some extracts and stevia. So they are 0 added sugars. They are 10 carbs, minus the 3 fiber, minus the 7 erythritol, 0 net carb. They're pretty cheap. They're like $3, $3 and a few cents over at Walmart. So check it out. And so this is this white chocolate. I'm floored. So when my challenge is over and when I decide to start back, you know, incorporating some sweets, I'm glad to have these. They have a dark chocolate, which I'm not a dark chocolate fan. And then they also have a semi-sweet. And it doesn't say it's dark chocolate. So, and these are sweetened. The package says sweetened with stevia. So I'm super excited. Like, look at this, guys. These are literally they are going to make it possible to have some sweets. I mean, we all know about Lily's. The problem that I'm having is that, you know, Lily's is an awesome company. They're even also awesome company to work with. But everybody doesn't have Lily's items. Like, everyone doesn't have anything except for Lily's dark chocolate. I'm looking for the milk chocolate line. Lily's just launched like milk chocolate and peanut butter cups and all that good stuff. It looks so good and I can't get it. I cannot. But, you know, I'm doing this challenge anyway because I need to detox off of a lot of the keto snacks. You know, I've been finding all of the keto treats and I've been going ham. So for the rest of October, I'm having nothing. Very well, except for in my drink. I'll put the you know, Torani or something like that in my apple cider vinegar drink. So you guys, if you want to follow this journey though, look in my I have a playlist. The playlist is called Vlogtober because I'm vlogging every day in October. And so I'm vlogging this entire challenge, this entire progress for October. So I'm testing my blood sugar. I'll be showing you guys what I eat. I meal prepped at the beginning of this week, so that's in there. And you can see how I meal prep for this challenge. And so far my only struggles are not having like cream. Sometimes I want to add some cream to my eggs, or you know, when you scramble them, or a little cheese just to kind of boost up the fats. I'm like, child, getting your fats in. I'm just going ham on avocado right now because getting my fats in with on the Clean Keto challenge, I'm like, oh, it's a challenge, but you know, I need it because I need to make positive changes. So I'll show you guys what I'm gonna have for breakfast, and I'll show you what I have for dinner because I am intermittent fasting. I only eat twice a day, and so far that works for me. I do 16-8, so my window is between 11 a.m. and 7 p.m. So that's my 8-hour eating window, but a lot of times I don't even eat until about 1 o'clock. So that's that. And for the remainder of this challenge, or for the remainder of Vlogtober, I may just do like what I eat in a days. We'll see. So let me show you what I'm having for breakfast. Hey guys, so this is what I'm having for breakfast. I have 3 scrambled eggs with some steamed broccoli, a cup of steamed broccoli, and 4 tablespoons of the Kirkland bread crumbles. I mean, not bread crumbles, bacon crumbles. So I'm gonna, I wanna up my fats. So I have the avocado salsa from Costco. It's like a green tomatillo salsa. And I also have a half avocado. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna mix this. So I have my bowl here, and I'm gonna scoop out a half avocado. I could just eat the avocado plain, or, you know, salted and whatever, but I'm going to put the avocado in the bowl. Get a little of this, the peel off. So now I'm going to add in, a tablespoon of MCT oil. I use the Now Foods MCT oil. I get it from Amazon. And then I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of the salsa. This salsa is pretty flavorful. So I have 2 tablespoons of that. And then black pepper, because you know I love it. So we're gonna take a fork, just kind of chop it up. So as you mix this, the avocado becomes like more absorbent. It absorbs all of the MCT oil, all of the salsa, and it becomes like a guacamole. And this is it. It tastes so good, and you know, just an easy way to add in the fats, add in the MCT oil. So here it is. So I can put this on top of my scramble, or I can just put it on the side. Today I'm putting it on the side. Sometimes I put it on top of a burger patty, or just kind of put it on top of the eggs themselves, like make a fried egg. This is just my little hack to get some more healthy fats, because I struggle with that. So this is it. This is the breakfast. There's no cheese, no milk products, none of that. I'm doing the Clean Keto Challenge, and this is my breakfast for today. I'll show you guys my dinner. I am doing intermittent fasting, so I only eat 2 times a day. So stay tuned for dinner. Okay guys, it's the end of day 4. This is my dinner for day 4. So I'm going to show you a drink that I'm having. I'm trying to get used to having absolutely no sweeteners except for my apple cider vinegar drink. So I am going to, let me pull this glass closer. I'm going to add some strawberries. I'm using frozen. I slice them and rinse them off. I'm going to add a few ice cubes. Just a few. And then I'm going to use this seltzer water, sparkling water. You can use whatever kind you like. So I'm going to open this. So it's a nice strawberry infused fizzy drink. So that's my beverage. And then I'm going to plate up my dinner. I'm having a coconut curry chicken. And it's pretty much like, I have some cauliflower and spinach that was sauteed together. So probably should have did this off camera, because now I'm doing it with my left hand, and I am not left-handed, but I wanted you guys to see it. So I'm going to make a little well in the inside. And now I'm going to add the coconut curry chicken. I have some a few bell peppers in this, some spinach, some chicken. If you guys want to actually see a video on this, I'll record it. But this is just part of my what I ate today video for the challenge. This is also going to go on my Vlogtober playlist. You guys, this is good. So I'll give you closer shot. Let's get a little closer so you can see the coconut curry chicken. Turn it around for you. I'll take a few pictures and add it to my Shay Goes Keto Instagram page. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.